Okay guys, the first thing I will do is to expand the image. Now I will move ahead by darkening the image. I'm going to make everything become dark. Then I will start writing the text, and to do that you click on this text tool and then choose line 2. Make sure you choose line 2. The reason why I'm choosing line 2 is because it makes the text become bolder. As you can see, the text is bold enough.
So this is how you keep writing until the amount of text you want to write is okay. Then as soon as you are through with the text you are writing, you move over to the perspective tool, and that's where you'll be able to flip your text and make it look the way you want. As soon as you are through with the perspective, you save. Then after saving your text, you move back to the original content, and that's where you click on the double exposure tool, which will make you to bring in the text in which you have saved. After bringing in the text from your gallery, you make sure you do everything that make it to fit in the road, and you move ahead by reducing the opacity and do some necessary things. As you can see, it's too bold, so I'm going to reduce the opacity a little bit. So that means I'm going to re-edit the double exposure